Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this mini massager by Beurer, and it is an easy and cheap way to alleviate your neck pain with some local massaging by this device. This is a portable massager of really small size with vibration to alleviate any pain that we can take it anywhere, at work, in the gym or at home. This is for you or for your significant other. So let's open it up and check it closely. So here we have it. Let's open it up. Okay. Here we have it. This looks alien. So this is a tripod, on-off switch, and the 3 endings for massaging. Here we have the manual and some batteries. We need some juice to power it on, so let's open it up. We have 3 AAA batteries, which is nice. We just open it here and insert the batteries here to power it on. It is great that the batteries are included here. This is a really low-cost product. So here we insert the other 2, and it seems we are ready to go. Turn it on, and this is a green LED on each foot, and there is some vibration here. Okay, I can see that. It's not really intense, but pleasant. A great gadget for present for you or others. So this was the unboxing. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.